Hello and Happy New Year. I hope you all are doing great out there. Today I'm going to look at checking software before installing them. And I'm going to be using Virustotal to do that. You want to check your software that you have downloaded from the internet to determine whether it is safe to install on your system. So I'm going to fire up, uh, but before I do, I have files here. Okay, I have a file that I downloaded from VLC. I have a good guy file. I have a file that I downloaded from SourceForge, which is SysInformer. I have an Excel spreadsheet, and I have the OBS file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire up my browser, and I'm going to go to virustotal.com. Virustotal.com and open virustotal.com. So in VirusTotal, you can check for a file, you can check for a URL, and to determine whether they are malicious or not. So I'm going to be looking at those files that I have on my desktop. So I'm going to click choose first, and the first file I'm going to open is a good guide. And you'll see that 19 vendors have flagged this as a not so good file. So it is a Trojan and it is for it's called a fog bomb. Now this file, if you run this file, which is a bash file, if you run this file will basically uh, consume your system resources. Um, and I'm gonna open it so you see what is in the file. Okay, so I'm gonna uh, open Notepad and I'm gonna open the file in here and it's a bash file. So I'm going to click on that and you see this is the command in this file. And that's why it is flagged as a malicious file. So you don't run that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a shift delete and I'm going to delete it from my system. All right. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to click on the back button and I'm going to choose the next file. The next file is OBS. I'm going to open OBS and you will see that for those who don't know what OBS is a broadcasting software that helps you make some nice videos and you can use it to stream also. So it's all green, no vendors flag that, and I'm going to click back. So I'm going to keep it. So the next thing is I'm going to choose is I'm going to choose System Informer. This software is advertised as software to check your processes and tasks on your system. Um, it has been flagged by Kaspersky, even though it's 3 out of 70. I'm not going to be installing it. I'm going to reach out to Kaspersky and see why it is being flagged. So I'm going to go here on my computer and I've not installed it. So I'm going to do a shift delete and click yes, and I'm not going to keep it. So I'm going to look at the next file. So I'm going to click choose and I'm going to look at my spreadsheet. I'm going to click open and you'll see that it is all green. So I'm going to click back and click choose and I'm going to look at the last one, which is VLC player, and I'm going to see that all the vendors have there's no flag that this file is contains virus. So uh, with the system informer, maybe it could be false positive, something there that could be triggering uh, that particular vendor. But I'll reach out to Kaspersky and see um, why it's being flagged by why they are flagging that as malicious. So before you install software, verify, don't trust. Okay, because once you install that software in your system, you could open uh, a lot of can worms that may cause problems for your system. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful new year and strive for greatness. Thank you.